Into Project Bedford. We're at a point now where we've had the rocker cover off, we've done the TDC, we've had the guy come out and do some electrics, some wiring. There's no electrics in it, there's electrical work, but he has got the right flow after I did the polarity reversal, and I have had the rocker cover off. I'm about to do a refurb on that, and this is the new rocker cover gasket, and also has the I'm hoping the 3 grommets from the top where the screws go through and to hold it down, because the grommets were so bad they perished, and I threw them out before getting measurements. So Brad done, thank you very much. The postage was great, the service was great, your new website, awesome, everyone go there, you need parts, Brad's gone, Austin's, Morris's, Bedford's. So we'll open it up and have a look. For the sake of it, I had already opened it. I already had a look. It was so well wrapped, I actually needed to cut slices off it about 3 or 4 times. I got one of Brad's cards, both sides, something to go on the 4 before, a little sticker in the back window, bit of advertising never hurt. Great receipt, thanks Brad. This is the gasket, looks like a perfect fit. These are the 3 grommets, and I will be checking those out as soon as I hang up on the Project Bedford again. Yeah, we're getting there. At least it'll be running.